Hi, welcome to Technical Knowledge Campus. Today we learn how to configure DNS server in CentOS 7. So let's start. We have required first of all one static IP internet and one CentOS server. So how we will configure? First of all, we check IP address which is configured in DNS CentOS server. IP address is 10.11.20.135. And we will check host name next. This so localhost.local domain. Next we will change this host name. So edit host name file. We will edit it tkclm.tech. You can write any your domain ID or anything else. So we just check for tkclm.tech. After that you will be restart your server or reopen your terminal and check the hostname will change. Now we will download the bind server, install and download and install bind server, bind utilities. And it is automatically installed in your server. Now package are installing and downloading, and after that it is installed. It is installing now and updating which package are already installed. This package are updating. If you are a newcomer, please subscribe my channel. Now we will configure the name.config file, and there is a listen port 53. We need to put server IP over there. Which is our server IP, means which IP will need to use in DNS. So we'll put this IP address and allow query in localhost and any means query will be allowed for all IP address. If you want to specify your IP address or others, you can put it here. Then need to create two zone file. Two zone file means one forward zone and second thing is reverse zone. We just first create forward zone. So first of all type zone and then open second bracket and need to type we have domain address which is mentioned over there tkclm.tech and need to create inverted comma and after that in then create type means your server is master or slave which you want. I show you master and then file means this file will be saved in var. So we need to put this file location and file name. If you put this name it is already okay, and if you want to mention your location you can mention it over there. Now allow update. If you write this line you can, or you cannot write this, it is nothing will be done. Allow updates, you none. Your forward lookup zone has been done and next will be reverse lookup zone. Same things over there, zone, and there is other things which is your IP address, means your server IP address. You can mention over there. Our IP address is 10.11.20.135, so we put over there 20.11.10 and .in address addr.arpa and then in and second bracket is open, then type master because we create this server as a master, then file location and need to put inverted comma or close inverted comma properly. There is some mistake. File which I have mentioned over there reverse, I change it to for fwd forward and here I can put rev.tkclm.tech and now allow update which is mention none. You can also mention it none. Now escape colon and wq, save and exit. After that we configure the var/name file we create two files which is mentioned over there, forward lookup zone and reverse lookup zone. There is not created, so we need to create. We can copy name.localhost, so we copy this file name.localhost. To forward fwd.tkclm.txt. To create successfully, you can check it ll, type ll and enter. Over there your fwd.tkclm.txt is created, and now we edit this file. So first of all, we change the rname.invalid. We need to change this. We need to put our domain name here. Which is I have mentioned there ns1.tkclm.txt, and need to put full stop after that. If you not did it, it will be not start. Then we will change ns. Ns means name server. We will configure name server. So I have put over there ns1.tkclm.txt, which is our domain name, and after that need to create a record which is IP address of our server. If you are newcomers, please subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching this video. If you can any issue or any other queries, please comment us, or you can check our website which is tkclm.tech. Now we have configured ns1 and a record. You need to put the server IP address. I have just configured 135, but some mistake over there. This is 134 only, so we need to change this IP address to 134. Edit this file forward.tkclm.txt. After that we need to change in name file also, which is mentioned over there. Listen port and IP address, where is IP address is mentioned. and there is 135 is mentioned. I need to change this to 134 and save and exit. After that, again we need to create reverse lookup zone. So who are newcomers in my site, please subscribe my channel if you are interested, or if you need some help, you can contact us in our website tkclm.tech. Now we are configured reverse lookup zone. So need to create first reverse lookup zone directory. We can copy forward lookup zone, then we can edit. So we need to copy this file cp forward fwd.tkclm.tech and to reverse ref.tkclm.tech. so you can check it ll, so you can get the output. After that we edit this file. Need to edit. There is a PTR record. Need to create PTR. PTR means we need to put over there the server name. We put over there tkclm.tech PTR. And after that we save it and exit. If you have any query or any issue, you can call us or you can contact us. The contact details and other details are you can find in description box. Now we need to change the file zone and need to change chone to root to name both file forward and reverse zone. So now it is under named. So now we'll start the server. And I need to add port number in firewall for permanent basis, because these ports are used for DNS query, TCP and UDP both, which is 53. So we need to add this port in firewall. Now I put this, and after that reload the firewall. Reload done. Now we will restart the server or start the server. systemctl enable name and systemctl start name for start the service DNS service. Just there is some problem and some configuration mistake, so we need to check it. So we configuration, we have checked configuration for this in name.config file. So we just enter the name.config file, edit sorry, there is some mistake. Allow local query localhost in colon, but any after any no colon is over there, so we need to put colon over there, semicolon. That's why this is not start. So be careful. If these types of mistake, you cannot start your server, or if your server is already start, if you edit some changes or edit some files, if you not put clearly or not put any not put any colon or bracket close or these types of problem, you cannot restart your server. Now the server is started. Now I check the status. This is active and running. PDT is 8 seconds ago. Now server is running and our DNS server is ready for service. Give service. Now we check service and check zone file. If you want to check zone file before you start the server, you can check, which is named -checkconf space -z /etc/name.config file. There is a loaded serial 0 means your server is loaded properly. If any issue, there is some error showing over there, that means our server is okay, no error and no issue over there in configuration. So now check name.check zone means we check forward and reverse lookup zone. So we first check forward lookup zone, which is var/name in forward fwd.tkclm.tech. Now enter and zone for a loaded serial 0 and it is showing okay. That means forward lookup zone configuration is okay, no issue over there. Now I am check reverse lookup zone. And there is no error, so our server is configuration ready, no issue over there. So now we will check the DNS query tick @10.20.11. Yes, it is working, and 3 ms and Google query is success. So now we will check it in our PC. We have changed our DNS IP address. Now we look for NS lookup 10.11.20.134 google.com. It will show and it will resolve the DNS. Our DNS configuration has been done. If there is showing unknown address, so you can restart your service, and after you check, it will be default server. It will be shown name ns1.tkclm.tech, and you which will you mention over there, it will be shown. So this unknown is it's need to resolve sometimes, so you can check it after sometimes it will be work. Your server is configured and your server is response. If you resolve your domain or your any other domain, you can check this. You can ping tkclm.tech, so you can check the IP address which is over mentioned there in our server. There is the IP address 10.11.20.134. If you want to enter a PTR record or create a PTR record, you can create in reverse lookup zone, and you have a web server. You can put like this www and name a and your IP address, which is your web server IP address, and save and exit. After that, you change this in reverse lookup zone, insert, and after that you need to create PTR. And just checking purpose, I just put this adf.tkclm.tech. After that, you need to restart this service. Name service, and now we will check. The service is non showing because our server which is we have mentioned over there 140, this service is not available, means this server is not on. That's why you cannot check this. So if you start your server and after that you create this file, it is working. Thank you very much for your time. If you are newcomers, please subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.